This guy's cooking up, but it's got nothing to do with an evil brow. But it does something with a fuck-off microwave from Las Vegas. It's Nathan Burton. Smack him up!
Thank you very much. I'm Nathan Burton. I'm from Las Vegas, and this is Dirty Tricks, so I decided to bring my best trick for you. It's the world's most dangerous escape. Ladies and gentlemen, very proud to present the microwave of death. Look at that bad boy. This is no ordinary microwave. This is a supersized microwave, and I'm gonna have 10 seconds to free myself from all the handcuffs, chains, locks are gonna bind me inside. This is the first time it's ever been attempted. David Copperfield was too scared. Pussy. Houdini never had a chance. Ladies and gentlemen, the microwave of death.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Can't touch this. Gotta get back in time. Gotta get back in time.
Thank you very much. Going to try a little bit of mind reading now, so I need a punter.